Hi everyone, we're going to be going over our controller board today. You may have seen this at one of our irrigation station workshops. Today we're going to be going over the Rainbird ESP. This is one of the most common controllers that we see in the field. This controller has a few basic functions that make it user-friendly. If the date and time are not displaying correctly, your water schedule will be affected. To fix this, turn the dial to the date and time position. First, we will adjust the date. Use the left and right arrows to navigate the screen. Then use the plus or minus buttons to make adjustments. Use the right arrow to navigate to the time. Check your phone or watch and adjust the time to the current settings. Use the left and right arrows to navigate through the screen and the plus or minus button to make adjustments. If you need help setting the date and time on your controller, call for a checkup at 972-292-5800 or use the MyFrisco app to schedule your appointment and let one of our licensed irrigators set your controller.